Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make a pie chart in Origin software. So let's start. First we copy the data from Excel sheet into the Origin. Copy, then paste here. Here is our data. X-axis we have day and Y-axis we have running in kilometer. Now we select the X-axis and Y-axis, then we click on plot. Here is the option of pie. Now we select 3D color pie chart. This is the pie chart graph. Now we change the background of this pie chart. Here we can change the color. Let's suppose we select the red color and we change the transparency to 70, almost 70. Okay, now we select another color. Here we change the mode of color into 2 colors. Now we select the other color. Let's suppose we select blue color and click OK. You can see that the background of the pie chart is changed. Now we drag this legend into inside of this color background. Now you can see the beautiful pie chart graph.